The KY102's battery life is commendable, providing a decent amount of flight time on a single charge. However, it's advisable to invest in additional batteries for extended shooting sessions, especially for users planning to capture prolonged aerial footage or cover large areas. While the Lenovo KY102RC drone excels in many aspects, it's essential to note that the quality of the footage may be influenced by external factors such as weather conditions and user proficiency. Users should familiarize themselves with the drone's capabilities and settings to maximize its potential. In conclusion, the Lenovo KY102RC drone stands out as a reliable and feature-rich option for aerial photography enthusiasts. Its 4K dual-camera system, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, optical flow technology, and 4-axis design collectively contribute to a professional-grade aerial experience. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or engaging in action-packed videography, the KY102 is poised to deliver impressive results.